Hello everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Sachin Tripathi and I will be presenting on information retrieval model. In this presentation, we will explore various models used in information retrieval and their characteristics and their relevance in the today's digital landscape. So I have studied two papers. The first paper titled A Framework for Personalized Information Retrieval Model and the second paper an information retrieval model for semantic web. The abstract of first paper is traditional search engine focuses primarily on matching query relevance, often neglecting the user's personal context, which limit the precision and the usefulness of search result. This paper proposes a framework for personalized information retrieval model that integrates user profile into relevance process by integrating personal data such as search, history, preferences, behavior pattern, and the framework aims to filter, refine result from conventional search engines. The abstract of second paper is uh, it highlights the limitations of existing search engine, which primarily focus on relevance of result to the query while neglecting the user's search context. The author emphasizes the need for a personalized information retrieval system that integrates user profile into retrieval process. This framework aims to filter and refine results from traditional search engine, ensuring they align more closely with the specific need of individual users. By doing so, proposed model enhances the relevance and overall effectiveness of the information retrieval. In literature survey of the paper one, many recent work have focused on incorporating user profile feature to enhance retrieval accuracy. This feature can be utilized for re-ranking document, refining queries, or adapting relevance function to better serve individual users' need. Personalization approach. The literature survey review various personalization approach, highlighting the use of user search history and contextual information. It emphasizes the necessity for unified representation of user profile, which is crucial for facilitating effective personalization in the information retrieval system. Literature review of second paper. The survey begins by addressing classical information retrieval model, including Boolean, vector space, probabilistic model. This model primarily rely on keyword extraction and statistical method, but face limitation due to keyword barrier, which restrict their effectiveness in the uh, capturing the semantic meaning of the document. Similarity measure. So here, the survey discuss various approaches to measuring similarity between concept in semantic network. For instance, the SIMDL framework focuses on comparing concept using uh, discourse context and sub-option reasoning, while the proposed model emphasizes a matching process that align the document and query based on shared seismic cases. Now, methodology of the first paper. So, first part is user information collection. The initial steps involve gathering user information, which can be done either explicitly through user input or demographic data and preferences, or implicitly by tracking user behavior and interaction. The accuracy and quality of the user profile are crucial for effective personalization. Second is profile representation. So, user profile are constructed using various data sources, including demographic, information interest, and navigational behavior. These profiles are formally represented to facilitate coordinated filtering of search result, integration and transformation. So here, multiple user profiles, especially from user with similar interest, are integrated into coherent profile base. This integration process may involve data mining techniques to eliminate redundancy and noise. ensuring a unified representation that can be easily compared with information resources. Fourth part in methodology is evaluation. So the methodology highlights the need of for the robust evaluation framework to assess the effectiveness of emphasized retrieval model. The author suggests that the traditional metrics like precision and recall may not sufficient. Proposing a new evaluation metrics method to take user experience and satisfaction into account. The methodology of second paper. Here, information retrieval model framework. The proposed model is defined as a quadruple DQFR, 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 DQ, where D represent the internal representation of the document, Q represent the internal representation of the F for modeling the relationship between document representation and query. RDQ function that measures the similarity between document and queries. Semantic metadata utilization. The model emphasizes the use of semantic metadata, which is extracted from information source through a annotation process. This metadata is essential for constructing the internal representation of both document and queries, ensuring that they share a common conceptualization. Semantic cases. The model introduces a concept of semantic cases, which represent user interest group that help organize the data into structured internal representation. This structure allow for more meaningful comparison between document and queries, as both are represented in terms of concept rather than keyword. Similarity measure. A keyword component of the methodology is the similar measure used for ranking the retrieved result. The model compared the concept within the semantic cases for both the query and the document, disregarding irrelevance concept and the focuses on relevance of the match concept. This approach aims to enhance the precision of review result by aligning the presentation of document and query. Now let's discuss the result of first paper. So context importance. Search engines often return the same result for the same query regardless of user's background or specific information need. For example, a query of IP can yield related to internet protocol, intellectual property, or international paper, highlighting the need of user context in the retrieval system. Second is personalized approaches. The paper identifies two main categories of personalized information filtering method: context-based filtering and collaborative filtering. Context-based filtering recommend information based on user profile, while collaborative filtering predict users' preferences based on group behavior. Results of second paper. Precision and recall. The author expects the model will demonstrate improved precision in information retrieval compared to traditional keyword-based system. They note that the choice of semantic case root concept will directly influence the level of precision achieved. Second is semantic matching effectiveness. The model is designed to enhance the relevance of retrieved document by employing a semantic matching process that compare concept rather than the keyword. Third is framework for informed filtering. The proposed model is expected to be adaptable for information filtering application, allowing for representation and matching of information item with user profile. Now, in conclusion, the summary and the key finding. So, the summary of uh, the above two paper are enhanced study data limitations and potential bias in the user profile challenging in semantical metadata extraction. Now, the key takeaways are integration of semantic metadata is essential for improving the accuracy and relevance of the information retrieval system. Focusing on user interest representation allow for more personalized search experience. The proposed model utilizes the concept-based matching rather than relying solely on the keyword, enhancing the retrieval process. So these are the references The first paper is from uh, Bangkok, Thailand. Second paper is from Las Vegas, New York. Thank you.